Hello, my name's Howard. I've been here in Central Florida for the last 32 years, come from Cincinnati, Ohio. We've been dealing in antiques, collectibles, music, and we now have a website, Cowboy PaPaws. We sell a lot of air guns. We do a lot of restoration work right here in our shop. Old guns that have long been mistreated, we bring them back to life. New parts, new paint. And if you're looking for an old air gun that you might have had when you was a child, good chance we'll have it. So visit us at Cowboy PaPaws website. Thank you very much. Adios.